What's good, HB? I'm back, Hunty. I got my new setup up in here. I got my lighting. I got my new camera. What's good? But yeah, anyways, I've been on YouTube for like every freaking day, and I see all these like trending shit, and I'm like, you know what, bitch? I'm gonna go in that wagon, Hunty. I wanna be like one of those bitch. I'm gonna be that bitch. Okay? So, for today, well, a little bit of story time because like story time is like my life, but whatever. A lot of people, like every freaking job that I have, they tell me that I resemble Bretman Rock, or like I remind them of Bretman Rock, and I'm like, girl, I'm like literally speechless because like I am nothing compared to Bretman Rock, and I'm like, bitch, Bretman Rock is like way up there, and I'm like way down here, and I'm just like keeping it low key or something. But like they keep telling me like it's probably because of like our similarities. Like I'm Filipino, he's Filipino, he grew up in the US, I kinda did grow up in the US, and I love makeup as much as he does, but he probably like loves it like really like that much. But everybody keep telling me, oh my gosh, do you know this guy, like he's famous on Instagram, like, and I'm like, bitch, I know who you're talking about. Is it Bretman Rock? And I'm like, I'm not pissed that I am being compared to him. I am more pissed that he is being compared to me, because I am a nobody. Like, nobody knows me. I'm like, I'm just a nobody.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
And because of that, bitch, I am doing this like YouTube. I followed a Blank's makeup tutorial, so right now I am gonna follow Bretman Rock's YouTube makeup tutorial. So here we go. I'm gonna put like the video right here, and right off the bat, Hunty, I'm just gonna tell you right now, I do not have everything that he has because I'm poor ass bitch, but he's like a bougie ass like fella. I'm gonna go get started, and let's go before my camera fucking dies. It ain't gonna die on me, hopefully. My relationship died on me, but my camera don't. But yeah, I'm gonna go get started. Let's go! Guys, so I'm back, and we're just gonna get right started on the video. I like to use like a headband thing that I make with like the I ain't got no problem with that. I got my hair pulled back by this hair. I got like a black and red thing going on right now. Like, see?
And I do like 3 twists or 2. And then I just put it on my hands.
Oh my gosh, I have no freaking mirror!
So, before I wear makeup, I like to put a moisturizer underneath my face. And I already actually have it on. When I was putting it on, I was like, let me make a video. So, it's kind of fun. So, this is the Good Jeans treatment from Sunday Riley. This is a really good moisturizer. I use it. So for primer, you want to really get something that will last the whole day for your skin type. I know a lot of people would wear silicone-based primers, and that doesn't really last on their skin. So make sure you get like a really good primer. For me,
I got a mirror.
And I really like the Anastasia foundation, the stick foundation, because it's so light and it blends so good. So I was just like, yeah. And I actually broke.
Hold up. Okay, so y'all know I don't have that Anastasia foundation, so I'm just gonna use my regular foundation, but on his shade, I guess, like on the right shade that like my face has. But yeah.
It's like, it's so sad.
And I'm really sorry about my beauty blender. It's like wrenching as hell, but I don't
from this. But that's with like everything that you use. People will break out to it, and people won't. It's really all just about like finding what's good for your skin type, because not everyone has the same skin type.
Oh no!
So now we're just gonna apply this all over our face. I don't like to put that much because I'm going to school and like there's no one really cute like for me to try to impress. So coverage, I don't really care. Like as long as I have foundation on, I'm cute. Fuck. So just about 2 X's on the cheeks, 2 rainbows on the top, and just a line and around the mouth. Just gonna blend our foundation. I'm gonna be using the Morphe M462 for this, and I'm so proud that I found this. Effortlessly.
I have this like it's like too. So like he's just putting it all over his face, so that's what I'm gonna do. That's so freaking too much. I don't wear that much I do not wear that much foundation. Like dang. But alright, I'm following a Bretman Rock makeup tutorial, so I gotta do what he's doing. I barely could even hold my lap together. And now I'm doing this. Well, I got too much time to waste anyway. Oh. Alright, you see the difference? It's like a little bit like lighter, I guess. I don't know. But on real life, it doesn't. It looks like a match, like legit match. It's a better match than you and your boyfriend. I really like personally don't like wear that much makeup. Like I mean that much foundation for that matter. But all these beauty gurus really like to go ham up on their face, but I'm so not used to that because I'm not a fucking beauty guru. I'm just a nobody, like I told you. But I guess that's good enough. It's all blended. It looks blended on camera. It looks blended in real life anyway, so okay.
Underneath the eyes and a little bit on the forehead and on the chin as well. So we're just gonna do a little bit of highlighting, not too much, because we're not baking. We're gonna go to school like ish.
Where did he put it?
I don't have time for that.
Hold up! Okay, I gotta do that too. Right there. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, this is literally like too much concealer on me already. I guess we're gonna do the same thing on the other one. Do you feel me now, Bret? Do you feel me now? Can you feel it now, Mr. Krabs? Okay, go.
I don't got time for that. So now that we kind of have like a base.
Hold up! You gotta like ditch it a little bit. Okay, right there. And right here. And right here. I guess that's close enough as possible. That's close as possible.
Like I think they should have it like at any drugstore, like Walmart, Kmart, Target, because it just blends it so like easily and like so fucking effortlessly. Fuck, it's so good. Like I like fucking that shit. It's so good. Leave cute, come back cute.
Leave cute, come back cute. Okay, Bret, I live for you, Hudson. I'm just gonna get a powder because that's what he did.
I ain't about to waste my time and energy and effort and make it not last. Because we're trying not to look cakey, but at the same time.
I'm already cakey. What do you mean, Bret? What do you mean?
Oh, by the way, to set it, I use the Kat Von D number 25 brush. Anyone was wondering? It's on like actually darker. So
I guess he's
I like how it kind of does that because it's kind of like a contour and like a foundation in one. So I don't really have to like bronze
right here, I guess.
Up or whatever.
Right here. Yo, Bret, chill.
So now we're gonna put on blush. Ooh, just not my crush. Oh, what up, bub?
Okay, so he's going in. Tart. Boom. I'm gonna get my blush brush, and he said just like right here and all over your face, so that's what I'm gonna do. I guess.
And this is Risque by Tarte. And I like to like go ham on my blush, but I like to look like a blush bitch. A blush bitch. That's me.
Oh, okay, I see. Hold up.
So you should have something like this. We're just tapping lightly on like little areas around the face, just because we don't want it to just like red here. We just want it to kind of. Oh, she's blushing. It's not. Oh my gosh, she's fucking red. You know? Now we're just gonna use the Max Fix Plus because I put powder all over my face.
Max Prep and Prime. Yo, right here. Boom. Okay.
Now we're just gonna combine the powder and all the liquid that I put on my face so that we don't look cakey. So this is just an extra step. You don't use to do this. But then it's time for mascara, and I just kind of just grab whatever mascara I have on my drawer because I think mascara is all kind of the same. I mean, I know some like will get your lashes to look longer, some will clump it up, but mascara is fucking mascara. Like, shit. I don't got time to be like, oh my god, what's this mascara? What's this mascara? Like, I'm gonna just grab the fucking mascara, put that shit on, make it work. But anyways, we're gonna be using Too Faced Metal Sex Mascara. Add it up all over.
Oh, who knew I had lashes? I'm just gonna use the NYX Worth the Hype Where's the hype mascara? Hansi, this mascara got me mentioned on the official NYX Cosmetics Instagram page.
Now we're just gonna add a touch of color on our lips. This is Bonder by Charlotte Tilbury. I got this from last time I was in the Philippines.
Now I do not have that color because Hansi, I haven't gone to the Philippines in like a long ass time, but I just picked one that is like really close, and this is, yo, focus up in here. There we go, that right here. There we go. Y'all know what it is. Just pause it, okay?
So we're just gonna be tapping this on the lips, more or less like gliding it. We're just tapping it.
Tapping. How do you do it?
Lastly, we're gonna. Oh my god. Lastly, we're gonna be doing the brows, and these are the Benefit Goof Proof pencils.
Yeah, Hansi. But my lips are popping. Yeah. So, okay. So you do that.
This is number 6, and I just kind of like lightly go over my eyebrows because my eyebrows are already kind of thick, and I don't really like got time to like draw that shit on, make it perfect and shit. So now we're just gonna
brows, Bret. What do you mean?
feather it out.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna try to do my eyebrows as close to his as possible. So, and I'm just using a generic like eyeliner from like Wet n Wild for like 99 cents because this is like really good, and it's in the color brown or 2, I don't know. I'm just gonna do my brows. Oh. I guess that's close, maybe, I don't know. I guess it's close. I look really weird with his eyebrows though, but I guess it's... They're cousins. They ain't twins. They ain't supposed to be twins, so that's as best as it could get, Hansi.
So it should be just something light, feathery, something to fill in the gaps, and nothing too dramatic.
This is dramatic. What do you mean? This is dramatic. What do you mean?
You shit together and you know how to do your brows. You can actually stop right here, but I know a lot of you are like, bitch, are you even Bretman Rock or is this an imposter?
I think I know where this is going. I don't have any
highlighter on. Using the Rodeo Drive highlighter from
beat up like. Okay, where did you put your highlight?
Cosmetics. I know a lot of you guys were making fun of me when I was saying like
right there.
Rodeo Drive.
I did not put my highlight right there.
Girl.
Right here?
English is not my first language. Just gonna put a little bit on our tip of our nose and our chin.
Right here, Bret. Right here.
Go. You can highlight underneath brows, but I'm gonna just do a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bret, you better not. Like the way people do their makeup here in the US, it's like to accentuate their features, and I already have accentuated features, so like I do makeup like to tone it a little bit down, you know, but this is not toning it down, Hansi. This is like turning it up like college students on a Friday night. Guys, it's too much. Okay, Bret, I see you. Never doubt Bret. Okay, my highlight is popping, my brows is popping. It's like, it's mad. It's like looking at you like, I guess it ain't too bad. Do I look like Bret yet? No. See, I barely even look like Bretman Rock. Like, people, come on.
This video, I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys like the final look, and I hope you guys can do some.
I guess this is it. This is it. Like, I guess this is it. Thank you for watching my video if you did watch it, but if you didn't watch it, like, honey, I do not give a fuck. But yeah, bye. Wait. Bye.